So I stumbled across this little gem. It's in Radcliffe. I'll get a picture of the sign on the way out. I'm not fully sure if like the public's meant to be in here, but it's like a little community garden. All sorts of little signage everywhere. Well done. Nice bench, fire pit, bin. Beautiful little area. Lovely idea. Makes a change. I've not been up this bit yet. We'll have a little look up here. But I'll show you down there in a minute with all the plants and that. They've got all the plants and then a little explanation on the plants. Look, we've got red gooseberries. Thornless blackberries. But yeah, what a lovely little place. I think it's open to the public because there's no like signage about. Yeah, there you go. That's where we're at. Incredible edible Radcliffe. Yeah, like I say, it's a cracking little idea. I like it. So I'll show you some of this down there. It's pretty cool. Another little bench, chilling. So you've got all your things. What have we got here? It's awesome. Onions. Yeah, like I say, absolutely smashing idea. What have we got? This one's a belter. Strawberry mint. Honestly, it smells hooker. And you've got normal spearmint. Oh yeah, down here. Show you this bad boy. Some coriander and stuff. What an idea, what a great little place. Well done Radcliffe. Oh, well done whoever it is that's set this up. I'll try and find some more information on it, but yeah. I don't know whether you can see it on the glasses, but I'll get a picture or two on my phone. There's a beehive. All the little bees getting about in. See all the busy bees. Not the best view, and I don't really want to go in and disturb them, right, but what a smashing little place.